Misty breath and silent trees, golden threads ride morning breeze. Slide through paths where no one goes, wings trace light in dawn's repose. Shadows stretch and shift